Today we're going to set up Spotify on your new Panamera. Now the first thing you have to have is a Spotify premium level account so you can log into Spotify on your vehicle without your mobile device. It's best practice if you go ahead and log into the Spotify app on your mobile device prior to setting up Spotify in your new Panamera. Let's get started. Go to Media. You'll see Spotify button here in the line. If you do not see it immediately, you can select the three dots here and find it in the drop-down list. We'll select it here. Here you can see a QR code. Now get your mobile device and open the camera and hold it over the QR code. Now select the yellow link at the bottom. Alright, your account link is now successful. You now can see all of the media that you would usually have on your Spotify app. Playlists, albums, artists, and podcasts. You're now set up to use Spotify on your new Panamera.